In this tutorial of Forensic 9.0, we will review the contrast filter. Here we have the contrast filter turned on, but because this video is a little bit dark, we'll go ahead and turn on automatic brightness also. So the contrast filter is a type of sensor in lighting conditions, both impact video fidelity. In either case, the quality of the video can be improved by adjusting the lighting in the video. Forensic has an advanced algorithm for contrast-limited adaptive histogram equalization. This process uses algorithms for automatic contrast adjustments in a single frame and across multiple frames to simulate the effect of a longer exposure time. This has the effect of both suppressing noise and revealing new detail with the image or video. So in this regard, we have the level, sensitivity, and the stretch. So the level, you can change the amount of contrast enhancement by moving this slider from 0 in contrast to 200, which is the maximum enhancement. The default value for this parameter is 30. Next, we have the sensitivity. When the sensitivity level is set at 1, the contrast enhancement is applied to the entire frame as a whole. Higher settings enable the processing algorithm to work on smaller regions in a frame. For example, at a setting of 5, the contrast enhancement is applied to the individual histograms in each of the 25 regions within a transparent 5x5 grid within the image. Next, we have the stretch. This parameter defines how much to stretch the processing algorithm for significant contrast variations in the image. A larger stretch is good for resolving details in the shadows. A lower stretch works better for relatively even light distribution. The range for the stretch parameters is 0 to 1. And that is the contrast filter.